Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Capri. Let's get right into the video because I already know why you're here. You want to see how I slayed this bomb wig from My Shiny Wigs. I worked with them before if you watched my previous videos. If not, go back and take a look. So first of all, it comes with this really cute garment bag for your hair, and it also comes with a nice little accessory kit, free bonus items, whatever. Go back and look at my other videos if you don't know what's in it. So for this garment bag, you get a hanger and you get to hang up your hair. How cool is this? I haven't had any company send me this before. So getting right on into the hair. This is the Dora 5x5 closure wig with HD lace and highlights in it. It does have the combs on the side and in the middle and the back, as well as an adjustable strap to make it completely glueless, okay? And this lace is so bomb. It is a HD lace, and this is a 20-inch wig. This hair is 180% density, so it is full but not too thick to where it's too wiggy looking. So My Shiny Wigs wanted me to let you know about their new seamless lace that they're rolling out. It's high quality, sustains you for a long time, durable, easy to melt, and it gives you that kind of hairline that just looks so freaking natural. Definitely click the link in my bio to grab one of these new seamless lace along with this hair that I'm showing in the video. As you can tell, the regular lace is more brown and the seamless lace it will melt right on into your skin, honey. Definitely check out this seamless lace. So I've already put on my wig cap and put a little foundation on it to match my skin tone a little bit better. And as I said before, this is a 5x5 closure wig, so you have 5 inches of parting space as well as 5 inches across the front to melt the lace. And as you can tell, the plucking is like superb on this wig already, so I don't even have to do anything to the edges nor the parting space. So I did a thing. This time I'm not using any got-to-be glue. I'm actually using an adhesive, and I'm using the Eben Wonderlace Bond in the original extra mega hold. The beauty supply said they just got this in, so it is fairly new, but I absolutely love it, and it helped melt the lace. And of course, with a lace glue, you want to make sure it's as clear as possible before applying a second or third coat. This time I only did 2 coats, but I'm going to go ahead with my blow dryer and make sure that's nice and clear. And I'm also cutting off these little side parts that come on the side of closures because it just helps to melt the lace a little bit better. I don't even know why they put that on there, but yeah, I definitely go ahead and cut those off. I learned that from the last time I did a closure wig. And I'm not going to be adding any baby hairs this time because the wig is just already flawless without it, and I'm kind of over the baby hairs right now. So I'm trying something new, but go ahead and watch me slay the install of this wig, and let me know down in the comments down below how you like this wig. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Hit the bell notification next to it so you can be updated every time I upload a new video, and give this video a thumbs up.